Hi students! We are working on Unit 5, Lesson 2. There are 3 parts of our lesson today, as I mentioned in the Illuminate room. The first part of the lesson is the spelling box. You will take out all of your spelling words. We had 2 new words in our Unit 5, or 2 new heart words, build and mother, that you'll be working on, and any other words in here. You'll need your learning coach to do this with you so that you can pass them off, and if you do, make sure you write the date on the back, and hopefully you're getting to retire some of your words. The next part that you will be doing in this lesson is on page 155 in your Language Arts book, Words Within Words. And if you see our word bank, what we do is we will look at the word bank, and then from each word we're going to try and identify or find a word within that word. Does that make sense? And then once you do that, from the list above, you'll write them down here. There's 9 words up here and then 9 spots down here that you'll fill in. And on your paper it says there may be more than one correct answer. So a word may have more than one word in it. That's kind of hard to believe. So let's look at number 1 together. Our first word in our word bank is grunt. Grunt. So we're looking for a word within grunt. So let's see. What if I were to take the T off? Is that a word? Grunt? No. I see a word right now. What if I were to pull the G off and the T off? What word would we get? Run. So that's a word in there. Guess what? I also noticed that if I would keep the T on with run is another word, runt. So you have right there 2 choices. You could either write run or runt, okay? So I might write run on mine. So on my paper, number 1, I would write run or runt. Okay, just like that. Then you'll go to the next word and continue filling in the blanks with the word within words. Kind of fun. Then, after you've completed that, you will need page 156, linking words that rhyme. So, if you look on your page, number 1 has 4 words, and I put them up on my whiteboard so we could do it up here, and I wouldn't be trying to hold up that big book. Okay? So what we need to do is read each of the following words out loud, and then we are going to try and find the 2 words that match. So let's read each one of the words together. Let me get my marker. Plant, blimp, crust, and grant. So we need to find 2 words that rhyme. So let's start. Let's look. Do plant and blimp rhyme? Do they sound? Plant, blimp? Nah. Huh. How about plant and crust? Plant, crust? No, I hear the T on both of them, but they don't really rhyme. How about plant and grant? Say it out loud. See. Plant, grant. They rhyme. So, on your paper, you will actually draw a line from plant to grant, showing that they are the match. Just a little note. If you notice in plant and grant that both of them have the vowel A followed by the NT blend. The NT blend. So see, they both have the ant in them. So that's where we hear that rhyme. So pay close attention to that when you are working on this assignment. So on the paper where it says number 1, I would write plant and grant, because those are the two words that rhyme. Go to the next set and do the same thing. Once you have completed your 2 worksheets, have your learning coach check them to make sure you did them correctly, and they can help you with anything else that you may need. So this was great getting to do the daily dose with you. I hope you are enjoying school and finding time to also go outside and run around and exercise. So make sure that you get out and do a little exercise and keep working hard in school. So have a great day, and we'll see you in our next daily dose. Bye.